Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you on how to make some flavorful rice. You don't need much and it takes no time at all. So let's go ahead and get into it. What we're going to need is some rice, some turmeric, some salt, and some mixed peas and carrots. Our first step is we're going to take our rice and just wash it thoroughly. After washing it, we're just going to go ahead and drain the water out. We're going to go and add 3 cups of water and place it into our rice cooker and let it cook till it's ready. Our second step is we're going to grab some coconut oil and place it into a wok or a pan. Then we're going to add our peas and carrots, some salt, and just give that a good toss. Let's also add in our turmeric. If you have your vegetables frozen, you can go ahead and just do this step the way it is. But if you have like fresh vegetables, you want to add more water in after this process. Instead of a quarter a cup, you're going to add in a half a cup of water and wait for it to dry, because you want the carrots soft, not very soft, but just a bit crunchy. So once your water has completely dried out, we're going to go ahead and add in the rice. Easy rice recipe, guys. You can try it. You can let me know what you think, what you did differently, and you're just going to enjoy it because it's just so simple, but the taste and the flavor is so amazing. I hope you're going to try it and let me know in the comment section, and see you on the next video.